Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is a really cool thermal printer. So whether you are doing lots of shipping labels, maybe you're making your own custom stickers and you don't want to deal with the ink out there, this is going to be a really cool product for you. And it's a little bit more unique when it comes to thermal printers themselves. So first off, this was sent over by a company called MUNBYN. It is the Real Writer 405B series. Naturally, you are going to get a quick start guide and a user manual. Feel free to take a gander at these, but we're going to cover a lot of the features right here in the video. Now, in addition to these, it's going to plug into just a standard wall outlet with power, easy little brick adapter to get power, very, very easy to utilize. It's also going to come with a C2C connection cable, nice long cable. So if you do want to plug this manually into a laptop or a PC, you can do that as well. It has a nice long cable. And there's multiple ways to send your files or to labels or whatever to this device. So first off, if you're using a PC, you can go ahead and just use the printer drivers, whatever software of your choice, whether you're using the FedEx software, the ShipIt, whatever, you can just do that and send it straight to the device. You can also utilize their web address and you can go ahead and upload custom images and send directly to the printer that way itself. This does support Bluetooth connection, so you can connect to this via Bluetooth. For example, if you're utilizing a phone or a tablet, you can connect via that way. And then you can also utilize their app on those devices, which once again lets you utilize custom imagery that you can upload. You could pick your various sizes, and then you can also use their ton of basically library of custom stickers and text and all that kind of stuff, which is absolutely available for you to use. You don't need anything extra to do that. So you can make your own custom stickers and labels as you need, which is really nice. So lots of different ways to send to the device itself. Now, in addition to this, you are gonna get a little USB to USB-C connection. So if you don't have the USB-C connection, have just USB, they give this little adapter for you. Now, it's gonna also come with this nice little stand itself, because that allows for rolls. So as you can see, I have some roll stickers right on here, and it's fully adjustable. So just simply kind of pull it to your whatever size you need. And then there's little parts you're gonna push in once you've lined it up, so that way it's nice and secure. Just a really cool, unique little device. And then there's a little thing here to release it when utilizing it, but very easy to set up, like I said, and utilize. Now you can also use this stand as well as just, you can remove these and just twist in and out, and you can go ahead and put in your accordion style stickers if you went, or your shipping labels. They do give you a set to get started, which is their paper. I recommend using their paper because it's a nice quality, but you can use whatever brand you wish, it just as long as it is thermal rated paper, because how thermal works is it's gonna heat up the area that you're wanting the image, and it's gonna turn and change that color while the rest stays white. That's why it doesn't use any ink or anything like that. So just need thermal paper to get this going, which is nice. This all packs nice and flat too, and as you can see, it has these little points at the end. This is what basically secures it to the machine. Everything has an anti-slip bottom, so it won't slide around if you're printing, because this thing can print a lot. It can print really, really fast. So it does print at 180 ppm. And it can also do color, which is a really cool feature. So if you get their red or blue labels, it can do color. Now it does do color a little bit slower at 1 ppm, so a lot slower to get that color option on there, but it's a cool little feature if you want to do that. So you can do the black, the red, and the blue. No issues with paper jamming or anything like that. It's very fluid, so if you're doing tons of labels, it's just gonna be shooting them out really, really fast. But here is the printer itself. It's nice and compact. Give you an idea of the size here. It's about 4 3/4 inches wide. Or 8 inches wide, I mean, and it's about 4 3/4 inches in depth. And then the height of it is about, let's say, another 4 3/4 inches. Now this stand is a little bit higher itself, so if you're utilizing that, this just sticks up slightly higher than the device itself. Now it can do your labels on the low end at 1.57 inches all the way up to 4.2 4.25 inches, so 4.25. So that means all your standard 4x6 labels, it does really well. All your 2-inch stickers, it does really, really well. Everything's adjustable right here at the top, so just go ahead and move this to whatever size of paper you are utilizing. Now you're gonna notice on the back that's got your port for your plug, your USB-C to connect to a device if you wish, and then your power button. Simply just turn that on to activate the power to the device. Now on the front side, you're gonna have your little printer button and your paper alignment button. It does do automatic aligning, so you're not wasting paper or anything like that, which is super nice. Now another cool, unique feature of this particular printer is you can actually change out the head to the little laser if you need to, which is a nice little feature. So you don't have to buy a whole new component, you can just buy the lead. So how that does, this little cover here, it just pops right off and just kind of slides up like so. And now you can see you got the mechanism. It does have a perforated edge here at the bottom. So if you do get the paper that's like a receipt paper, for example, and you need to tear it, you can do that as well, because you can run receipt paper if you're running a business like that through this as well. But you'll notice there's a little lock button. Simply go ahead and press those on either side, and now you can pop out the printing mechanism itself. You can see you got the little mechanics right there, and then you got all the little power gets on the side, and you got the dots, and then on the bottom part you have the little roller. So if you do ever have issues with the roller, you can go ahead and clean that as well. So very, very easy to utilize. But they really thought of everything with this little printer. And like I said, I haven't had any issues with jamming, which is really, really nice. So if you are in the market, like you said, you do a lot of shipping labels, or you do a lot of custom stickers, or you're thinking about getting into it and you want a really nice thermal printer, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.